Little remains of the Rana Plaza garment factory in Bangladesh, where over 1,100 workers died when the building collapsed. As production continues elsewhere, it's hoped the disaster will lead to better working conditions.
We don't want to work in a factory like the Rana Plaza. We want to work in a safe factory. We need a safe atmosphere because my life is more important than my job.
The US and European companies which rely on Bangladesh to supply them with inexpensive clothing have been spurred to action by the tragedy, even if they can't quite agree on how. Some of Europe's biggest clothing brands are backing an agreement for fire and building safety checks to take place. International retailers had until Wednesday to join the consortium. US retailers weren't due to join the European Pact over concerns about an industry agreement with legally binding objectives. Instead, Wal-Mart says it's stepping up inspections in the 279 factories which supply its stores. The world's biggest retailer asked the Bangladesh government to investigate the structure of the Liz Apparel's building, which has supplied Wal-Mart in the past. The factory's managing director says the cracks that have developed in the factory aren't dangerous, although another building has been closed.
We find that one of our building, that was 10 line, 3 factories, that is building was so old and the building owner is not provided us the building structural design and approval copy. Then immediately we shut down this factory.
Wal-Mart says it's found problems at 2 locations and asked the Bangladesh government to suspend production. The government's keen to ensure business continues as normal, as garments make up around 80% of the country's exports. But workers have also begun to demand better safety and more rights, which may also force greater change in the industry.